We're constantly being told that being self-disciplined is extremely hard, but it doesn't have to be. In this short video, I outline a simple yet powerful psychological hack you can apply to your everyday life to be more self-disciplined and make this process effortless. Step 1. Identify a behavior that you would like to do more of, behavior that gets you closer to your goals, but you find it really difficult to do, something that requires a lot of effort. For example, studying, writing, anything that you find challenging but is necessary for you to succeed. Step 2. Find a behavior that draws on your skills, your existing strengths, something that you really enjoy, something that you look forward to. For example, playing, painting, any activity you enjoy that draws on your skills and strengths. Step 3. Pair up those two behaviors. Start with a behavior that's less preferred, something that requires more effort, followed by a behavior that you look forward to. This is known as the PREMAC principle. This works because here your preferred behaviors act as rewards for less preferred behaviors, making it easier to be self-disciplined, progress, and succeed. I wish you every success in your life's journey.